Welcome back to my new channel and welcome back to the new day, new video of English speaking new session. So let's start today's topic. What is about today you going to learn? It is very important for today's topic. So origin and the related words. So we'll talk about now what is the good news? So how to communicate when there is a good news? So listen carefully. Malus is a bad, bonus is good. Malus is bad, bonus is good. The adverb from the Latin adjective bonus is been, and been is the root found in the words that contrast with the male terms we studied in the previous session. We studied in the previous session. I hope you can watch the previous video also so you will get to understand. Malus is bad. So malus used for the bad. Bonus is good. Whenever someone is a salaried person who get the salary from their company or from any organization. So bonus is good. They usually got the bonus. The adverb from the Latin adjective bonus is been. So bonus is came from the Latin word been. And been is the root found in the words that contrast with the male terms we studied in the previous session. So you have to watch previous session also. So let's talk about another thing. Say, do and wish. Say, do and wish. Listen carefully. Benediction and the malediction. Benediction and the malediction derive from the deco dictus. To say, tell, dictate, dictator, dictation, dictatorial. So all the words I have told you also that most of the English word got from the Latin word and the Greek words. So here again from the Latin, the benediction and the malediction derived from the dico dictus to say, tell, dictate, dictator, dictation, dictatorial words that signifies telling others what to do. Do, say, I say are built on the deco as is predict to tell beforehand, to say that something will occur before it actually does. So next session, if you please. Placate is built on the root place which derives from the two related Latin verbs meaning to please and second is to appease. To appease we can also use in case of to please. Soothe or pacify. If you succeed in placating an angry colleague, you turn that person hostile attitude into one that is friendly or favorable. The noun is placation and the adjective either placative or placatory. So a more placatory attitude to those you have offended may help you regain their friendship. So I hope you have understand. And the last topic for today, how to give and forgive. We're going to tell you about how to give and how to forgive. To condone is to forgive, overlook, pardon, or be uncritical of offense or of an antisocial or the illegal act. You yourself might or might not indulge in such behavior or commit such an offense, but you feel no urge to protest or to demand censure or the punishment, for example, for someone else who does. So, here also you can see the etymology of the words prefix, root, and suffix. Bonus, I have told you the bonus came from the bean, good, well, okay, fights, faith. Here you find the pronunciation of the word benin, benin, benignity, benignity. You can find the pronunciation. Can you pronounce the word dictatorial? So the word is here and here is the pronunciation dictatorial. Okay. Violation, violation. So these are the words. Can you work with the words? Benin. Wishing good things is a benin, well disposed. Bona fide. Bona fide is again tending or intent to pacify, to soothe, or to change the hostility to the friendship. So the final answer for this bona fide is going to be in the good faith, sincere or valid. So that is called the bona fide. Can you work with the words benevolence? So benevolence would be, here the answer is attitude of wishing good things for another. Do you understand the words? Again, another exercise is there. Are benedictions given in the house of worship? So the answer would be yes. So like this, you can also do these kind of exercise, which will going to help you to learn more and more vocabulary, so that you can improve your English speaking practice and open the new opportunity for you. Even you want to get a job in corporate sector, or you want to go for overseas studies. This book is very important, my friend. If you want to buy, it is good. But you do not want to buy, you can watch all the videos, because I am doing and working on this book for you only at my YouTube channel, so that I can help you to grow in your English speaking. So I think that's all for today, and you just need to work with me. Whatever I am telling you in my videos, so just repeat with me. Even if you repeat with me, you will going to learn English speaking. You will going to learn something, because something is better than nothing. So I hope that you will going to learn so many things about the English and vocabulary, which is very very important to speaking. Oh, so that's all for today. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much.